I know lots of candidates, women and men, who never ever really take a hard look at themselves. I mean, they are the most important part of their campaign. I mean, you can have the best campaign in the world, but if you don't convey confidence, if you don't convey authority, if you don't convey likability, if you don't convey all these things that people look for in a democracy, it's going to be difficult to be successful. So you really have to know yourself. Secondly, you just have to be prepared that, political elections in our country now are a form of sort of civilized combat. And especially if you run as a Democrat and or a progressive, especially if you defend women's rights, especially if you defend human rights, especially if you speak out for the fair distribution of income and a fair progressive tax system and all the things that are currently in disfavor among a lot of the media outlets and the talking heads and all the rest of it. So you just have to be prepared to defend your position and to be not knocked off course no matter what they say about you.